I can honestly say over the past 4 years, I've learned a lot as a syndicate advisor, and I love working with the group because they're highly energised being a participant in this program. The initial role is to help the syndicate members to land a theme under the umbrella of the very broad project context, leadership in the 21st century. So as an example, my group last year in 2017 focused on resilience, and is that they were exploring the question, how important a leadership characteristic is that? And but it took a couple of meetings to land that as the topic that most interested all of the members of the syndicate. So that was terrific. Another year, my group chose Geelong, the city of Geelong, as a city that has been through periods of great distress as industries have risen and fallen. So they were able to narrow their leadership project to exploring the perspectives from leaders in one particular region in Australia, and all of the features that come into play leading in an environment where externally things were difficult. In my experience, and I don't know if I've just been incredibly fortunate, although we're talking to other syndicate advisors, we all share the same enthusiasm for this. My experience, they all work extremely well together. And generally my syndicates in Victoria for NextGen have all come from different environments. One year I had probably 3 out of 5 that were from a similar sector, and that actually worked very well because they were very different organisations in the same sector. Last year, very different sectors, and that brought a richness to it, and the respect and trust that everybody has in each other, and the enthusiasm for the work is great. I would say there is mentoring, and occasionally the group will sort of look to the syndicate advisor to unlock or help break a deadlock in the discussions in terms of landing the focus, but it's minimal. My experience has been that the groups are so invested in the program and so invested in wanting to succeed in their project that it comes together really well, and it's just lovely to sit in a group of accomplished women who quickly land on their topic and get to work on doing the research and the paper.